Yesterday's press conference by the Honorable Deputy CM of Delhi, Shri Manish Sisodia ji, was very disappointing. On one hand, for the last 6 months, they have not released the grant for salary to be paid to the staff. And on the other hand, in yesterday's press conference, Shri Sisodia ji had leveled uncalled for charges on the college administration. It's very unfortunate. He has said that in the society fund, we have crores of rupees. Sir, the society fund exists not only in these 5 colleges, it exists in all the 80 colleges of this university, Delhi University. It exists in Delhi University itself in the name of University Development Fund. It exists in all your state universities also. The state university is run by Delhi with different names. Somewhere with Student Welfare Fund, somewhere as Pupil Fund, and many other names. These funds are collected from the students for the purpose of organizing different activities. Please check from your officers whether a single penny is sanctioned by the government for organization of activities of students. And let me also tell you that when we calculate the deficit, the expenditure is subtracted, the permitted expenditure only is subtracted. And in the permitted expenditure, there are such highly unrealistic amounts in some heads that one will feel ashamed of that why these heads exist at all. For example, the permitted expenditure for a convocation function to be organized by the college is rupees 1000 only. Can a convocation be organized in rupees 1000? For annual day celebration of the college, the permitted expenditure is rupees 1500 only. Can it be done? For permitting the staff to attend seminars and conferences for 150 to 200 teachers, the amount permissible is only rupees 7500 per year. How many people you can send for attending conferences in 7500? Not even one. And do you provide any funds for organizing dramatics, music, social service, or scholarship to the students? We give scholarship to the students out of the savings in the society fund. And sir, these society funds, any amount that is left unspent is collected over the years. If a college has 20 crores of rupees, it has been collected over last 30 years and added interest to it. It became 30 crore. It's not that it has been saved in a year or 2 years or 3 years. Where do we use this fund? Sir, the grant for development of infrastructure at times is either not coming or coming in years. We are dealing with a situation where a student is admitted, where a batch of students is admitted to the college, and the classes have to start on, say, 20th July. We can't wait. And the government doesn't sanction the funds. So what do? We have no other option but to utilize these funds to create the infrastructure facilities for those students. And this has happened several times. Delhi University in the past has given us 120 computers because for the making of a computer center, no grant was coming from the government, whether central or state, to any college. So it is Delhi University which through their University Development Fund provided 120 computers to all colleges over a period of 5 years, 40 in 2007 and another 80 in 2011. Now these computers were provided as a one-time aid. These computers will obviously become obsolete in 5 to 6 years. Then how do we replenish them? It is for the maintenance of these computers and their replenishment that many colleges created funds like ICT Development and Maintenance Fund. Now for maintenance you need a small amount, so residual is saved, and when you have to replace these computers, then a huge amount is needed at one go, and therefore we use it for replacing those computers. So what is wrong in it? How do you call this is misappropriation of funds? It's very unfortunate, Mr. Sishodia, that you are using such terms for colleges which are star colleges of Delhi government. Shahid Sukhdev College is the best management institute of the country, and you are defaming it. Deen Dayal Upadhyay College is the only college which has come amongst the top 15 in the country consecutively for 4 years, and you are defaming it. This is not expected from you, sir, this kind of a conduct.